Shine your light on me, yeah.
Hi, Nick here from Autosol Australia to show you how to use Autosol metal polish. This heavy-duty Autosol workhorse is recommended for harder metals like stainless steel, chrome and brass. Commonly used on ball bars, truck exhaust stackers, fuel tanks, wheel rims, balcony rails, boat fittings, barbecues and pretty much any metal surface, including, and not forgetting, the kitchen sink. This popular product is available in various pack sizes to suit different requirements, anywhere from a 75 milliliter tube to a 20 kilogram pail. So how do we use it? First, clean any dust or dirt from your workpiece with a damp cloth or sponge and dry it thoroughly. Then, use a clean, dry polishing cloth, making sure it's free from any sand or other abrasive particles. Apply a teaspoon or more of Autosol metal polish to the cloth. Covering 5 to 15 centimeters at a time, rub and polish over the workpiece in a circular motion. Finish by wiping away the paste with a second clean and dry polishing cloth until you see the shine come up. If necessary, repeat the process a couple of times for better results. For larger or particularly rough or tarnished surfaces, a drill-mounted buffing pad will save you time and effort. And that's it. Thanks for watching and shine on.